know what it is. It's kind of heavy. A baby can't pick this up. Alright. We got the wrapping. It's really. I don't want to mess it up, but you know what? It's a present, so that's what
you gotta do what you gotta do.
You gotta do it. So I'm gonna start off with the bow. The bow's still intact. Put that there. And then. Alright? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Man.
You're definitely not me at Christmas. I'm like,
oh man. I'm a nice one. Oh man. Let's see. Ah!
I'm right there shaking it. You're gonna break it.
Look at my display. I'm trying to trick me. I like it a whole lot. Because now I won't have to break my PlayStation when my DVD's going to play.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this off now.